How do you fix the condensation drain pan, which looks like this? With a sheet of metal. Alright, so I took the measurement of all the sides, including the side walls, and so this is what I got. This is in inches, and so this is the square that I'm gonna be working on. Once I cut this out, I'm gonna measure all this, cut it out, and then hopefully it will fit nicely into this pan. All right, so here's my the whole piece, 27.5 by 23.5. So I'm gonna mark everything, cut out according to these measurements. You might need a grinder for bigger pieces, and then I'm gonna use these metal scissors for smaller parts. All right, so I marked the center piece, which is 8.5, this rectangular shape, which is gonna be the opening. Alright, so all the sides, the walls and everything has been marked. This is the tricky part, is I'm gonna have to cut in certain spots and then start bending, and hopefully we'll start assuming the shape of the pan, and it will hopefully nicely fit on top of this pan. Alright, so this is what I got so far. My measurements came out to be completely accurate. It was a little bit longer or wider than it was supposed to be, so I had to cut it in the middle, make it a little. The only problem is gonna be are these angles, because this right here is not so angular. And then yes, I got this hole drilled out for the drainage pipe. So basically, hopefully, obviously after I clean this, I put this in, and it should be able to perform the function. So I'm gonna try to clean all the dirt and debris, and as you can see, the hole and everything. Yeah, this looks really old. All right, so after trying to get the right size, trying to get it fit and cutting and stuff, this is what I have so far. It kind of fits, it's just I need to make sure to put it all together and then use some silicone, like I guess here, you know, in some spots where the water might leak out, but I think it comes out to be I mean, it's not professional or nice and everything, but as long as it does the job, that's my main concern. Alright, so the job is complete. The only thing left is to test it out.